Welcome back, student. This is me again with our same chapter, Basics of Information Technology. In our previous video, we will study about computer, terms related to computer and characteristic of computer. Now, in this video, we will cover components of computer. So, let's start with our first topic, components of computer. As we all use computer and device like computer to send, calculate and store data, retrieve data, these all process happen because of the main three parts of computer. These all three parts is known as components of computer. So the very first part is input unit, second is CPU, center processing unit, third is output unit. Okay, CPU itself has its three components: ALU, arithmetic logical unit, memory unit and control unit. Let us discuss these components briefly. So here is our very first component, input unit. This unit contains device with the help of which we enter data into the computer. So here is some example of input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, webcam and microphone. We can say these all are create a link between the user and the computer. We can basically say if we want to enter any data into our computer, we use input devices. The second component is CPU, center processing unit. This unit carries out the instructions of computer to perform the basic arithmetic and logical and input-output operation of computer. So we can also call it brain of the computer. It stores data, intermediate result and instructions. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. Now, as I already told you, CPU itself has three components. First is ALU, arithmetic logical unit. In this unit, all the logical and arithmetic calculation will be performed. Second is memory unit. If we send data, if we retrieve data from any computer, these all data will be sent into our memory unit. Last is control unit. All the process, all the performance will be controlled by control unit. Now the last component of computer is output unit. The output unit consists of devices with the help of which we get the information from the computer. Here are some example of output devices, which are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone and projector. If I want to get any result of computer, we can watch it on our computer screen. That is also called monitor. Now let us now discuss about the working of these components. First of all, we will insert data through the input device like keyboard, mouse, light pen, joystick. In the next step, the data will be stored into our first memory, which is our primary memory. After that, the calculation will be performed by ALU and again the result will store to our primary memory, and eventually the result will be displayed in our output device like monitor and in printer. For understand this process more, let us take one example. If I want to add two numbers, say 2 plus 3, what will I do? I insert 2, 3 and one additional operator plus into my keyboard. After that, the input data will be stored into our primary memory, and then in third step, the additional operator is performed by ALU and the result 5 will be displayed by our output device like our monitor.